This guy has a different approach to raising his chicken. From the chicken bedding to their feed to their water is organic. I am going to take you through all the organic ingredients he's using to raise his chicken and explain why. But before that, please hit the subscribe button. Help us to grow. We need it more than you can imagine. Yes, and also don't forget to hit the like button. The guy uses charcoal for the bedding of his chicken instead of our normal sawdust. And the question is why? Now, the reason is to reduce bad odor. Yes. So when you use charcoal for the bedding of your chicken, any odor, okay, coming from their feces or anything unwanted, the charcoal reduces the odor. It also helps to absorb excess moisture. Yes. And of course, ammonia from chicken manure. Now, this creates a very cleaner environment for the birds. So that is the reason why he is using the charcoal instead of the sawdust. In fact, I've also realized that it also helps in cleaning their feces, okay, compared to the sawdust, because it's easy to really know where their feces are and then pick them off. You realize he also has what's a typical African man will call a concoction. He has concoction for his chickens. Now, this concoction, okay, or should I say a mixture, has three components or three ingredients. The first one is what we call the precursor, okay, precursor or the tetraptera. Yes. Now, the precursor is rich in antioxidants, yes, vitamins and minerals. In the case of chicken farm, precursor is very good for cleansing the digestive system of your birds. So that is why he is using precursor. If you go to African settings, the typical traditional houses, you realize that precursor is even added to soup, okay? Yes, because it has antioxidants, rich in vitamins and minerals. The second one that he is using is called the celery pepper. This is really common in Nigeria as well, okay? Now, why is he using the celery pepper? He's using the celery pepper because it is good for reducing inflammation. Yes. It is also good for digestive wellness of your birds. So that is why he is using the celery pepper. Another one that he is using is called a Christmas melon, okay, or the Cacumis melon. Now, this one, a lot of farmers use to cure Newcastle disease. Yes, poultry farmers can adopt Christmas melon extract to cure the deadly and contagious Newcastle disease, and also avoid the use of antibiotics and other synthetic drugs that often raise their production cost. Yeah, because the cost of rearing chicken has become high, and it is high time farmers need to really go organic in raising their birds. And of course, put in place those natural defenses that will help protect, their birds against deadly poultry disease. So in this video, you realize that the guy is trying to go wholly organic. Yes, organic. And of course, I had the opportunity to have a conversation with him. And you see, the interesting thing is he's part of our family. Yes, he has subscribed to our channel and he hit me on WhatsApp and said, Del, this is what I'm doing. I've done it before, I've seen the result, and I want to do it. And he said the time that some years ago he did the same thing, and his eggs were the best. Okay, yes, the eggs, they taste different. So why not go organic? Yes, why not go organic? Now, the question is it really scalable? Can we do it on a large scale and stuff? Yeah, but I think if you want to do it, you can. So let's try this, okay, to reduce cost of production and at least to also protect our human race. Thank you. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and like. Don't forget to leave your comment. Stay blessed.